I'm Arav and you're watching Arav Tech. So in this video I will share you how to take macro shots with the 48 megapixel mode using the Pro mode. So without wasting our time, let's start it. First go to Pro mode and go to settings and enable 48 megapixel from here and enable RAW if you want to edit these pictures, and go closer to the shot and enable manual focus. You can see I'm using the manual focus slider and it is not focusing, but just 1 second. As you can see, as we go closer to it, it focuses out due to, and you can see it is not being focusing due to we are closing the camera with this shot. So we have to go further far and zoom it in and adjust the manual focus. As you can see the shot, let's take another shot. As you can see the quality of macro shot that we are getting on it. You can adjust your manual focus according to your need. As you can see these all shots are the macro shots taken with the raw. You can edit this raw pictures according to you. As you can see the quality of macro shots. It is 48 megapixel mode. You can edit these pictures via Snapseed and any other Lightroom. So thanks for watching my videos. Till then, bye bye, and please do like, subscribe to my channel. I need your motivations and much more things. So till then, bye bye.